In today's Daily Dose of Math, we are answering the question, what is the difference between the x-intercepts of line 1 and line 2? To do this, you have to be able to find the zeros of a straight line. Sometimes they're handed to you, sometimes you have to do some calculations to find them. I'm going to do several examples, but example 1 is going to be the easiest and fastest. In this case, line 1 is right here, and we have been given its x-intercept, it's 0, which is -4. And line 2 is down here, and we have also been given its x-intercept, or 0, which is -2. We have to find the difference between them, which means we need to subtract. -4 minus -2 is equal to -4 plus 2, which is -2, but we can take the absolute value of that and say the difference is 2. And yes, when you count along the number line that is the x-axis, you can see there is a difference of 2 units between these two intercepts. If I do it backwards, -2 minus -4 is the same as -2 plus 4, which is +2. I don't have to do any absolute valuing. I can see right away that the difference between them is 2. That is example 1, and yes, that was rather straightforward. So I'll make an example that demands a little bit more of you, and I'll be right back. Here in example 2, we have line 1, which has the point 25 on it, and the point -20. Line 2, we're given the equation. When we want to know the difference between the x-intercepts, for line 1, the x-intercept happens to have been given to us. -20 is the x-intercept. For the x-intercept of line 2, I have to plug y equals 0 into the equation. I'll start with that. 0 equals 1/2 x minus 2. If we solve for x, we have to be finding this x-intercept. Moving the 2 to the other side, it becomes positive. And then multiplying both sides by 2, my fraction cancels, and I have x equals 4. So the x-intercept for line 2 is 4. The x-intercept for line 1 is -2. 4 minus -2 equals 6. The difference between the x-intercepts of these two lines is 6.